Hi, and welcome back to Artist Management Studios. I'm Fred, and today I wanted to talk to you about a new feature that's available, at least as of July 2026, if you're keeping score. But the new feature is covering event tax collection and documentation. If you're like us, every time we go to an event, it's always a struggle. You've got every state seems to have a different rules and regulations, and certainly tax rates and when to apply, etc. So, what we've done is in AMS is we've implemented a new feature that'll help you track it and hopefully make your life easier. So, if you log into AMS and go into events, when you go into a particular event, now you'll see a new table here, sales tax defaults. And if you expand that, you need to fill this out the first time. Now, if you've done this event in the past, when you fill out this tax default form, it will not change any of the pre-existing event logs. This will only affect any new event logs that you create. So first thing you're going to do is say, okay, what is my status? Am I going to collect for state and local or just state only? And then once you do that, you put in your tax rate for that particular state. So let's just say it's 6.75%. And we're going to do an occasional or one-time filing and put in when is it due? 30 days after the end of the festival. And then I can set up a reminder and assign it. I'm going to assign it to admin and finance. And this is going to set up a task within my tasks to remind me when to file for the taxes. And once I've filled out this, I'll click save. And now those are your defaults. You can update those later if you need to. But now every time you create a new event log, those defaults will be applied. So we'll create a new one. We're going to say fall of 2026. Oops, I can type. And we're going to say November 13th through the 15th, create the event log. So when we go into event log, then we can set a status. It's to be filed, or it's been filed, or not required. And then your gross sales. The nice thing about this and the way we've got implemented in AMS is that if you have integrated Shopify with AMS, every time a sale comes through the Shopify POS, it'll automatically ring up into AMS. And then when you filter your sales, you can filter by the date range of this festival and apply it to this event log. In which case, then all your gross sales will appear here and it'll carry forward how much taxes were collected. And then, of course, you can also adjust that. So if you have cash sales, you can make some modifications here. And you can, of course, adjust it here if you need to. All of the information is carried over. And then, of course, it gives you tracking so that you can put in a confirmation number when for your filing receipt and how much you paid, any notes, and of course, save that. Now, hopefully this form will help you track and certainly apply all the taxes that you need to in all of your events. But if you see anything that you'd like to see updated or added to this feature, please contact us and let us know, and certainly reach out to us if you have any questions. Have fun.